Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fun Fold Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Wildflower Birthday Designer Series paper, and I'm using the sentiment from the With You in Mind stamp set. So this is the paper. And it's really pretty. It's got gold sort of flecks in it. And then there's 2 pages of die cuts that are really cute. We're going to use this pink cake for the card today. And I'll show you at the end the option of using the orange cake. Okay, so, and this is a sticker sheet that goes along with the scrapbook brochure. So if you order this, there's a special number and you can get the sticker sheet. So keep that in mind. Okay, so we have a piece of cardstock. This is Pretty in Pink, and it is 11 inches by 5.5, and we are going to score at a 1 1/4, 5.5, and 9 1/4. So again, this is 11 inches wide by 5.5, scored at 1 1/4, 5.5, and 9 1/4. And I will have a downloadable PDF for you. The link is in the description. All right, so we're going to fold it in half. And then the one is going to, right side is going to be folded. I'm just turning it around so I can access the bone folder a little bit better. And then this front one is going to be folded as well. How about that? That's different, hey? All right, so that's the fun fold portion. So this inside piece is 4 by 5 1/4, and it's going to go on that left hand side there. And then we have the designer series paper, and we are going to these 2 pieces here are 1 inches wide and 5 1/4 inches tall. And I'm just using my favorite adhesive, which is Seal Plus, to adhere that. So we're going to put that on the left-hand side, the front and the back. All right, and then once that's all adhered, there's one more, well, there's 3 more pieces, but one more, I'm choosing like the same type of paper for these flappy flaps. So there's one more piece, and that is 1 1/2 inches by 5 1/4 inches, and that's going to go on that right hand flap, the front part. I'm not going to put anything on the back part of that one, but I am going to put a 3 1/2 by 5 1/4 piece of this beautiful cake paper. It's so pretty. It's got beautiful birthday cakes that have flowers on them, and it's shiny and gold, and I would love to get this for my birthday. This is a beautiful card. Beautiful paper. And I'm going to also put another piece the same size, 3 1/2 by 5 1/4, in on that right hand side. So there's the left hand side for your message and the right hand side for some more paper. Some pretty paper. This is a card for those who like paper. All right, so we're going to do a belly band. So what I like to do is take the belly band from the back side, and this is just a piece, an extra piece of card. I think it's about, well, it's a little bit more than, but I think it's sized down about 9 3/4 inches by 1, so 1 inches wide. But it's whatever, I cut a little bit off. So you want it to be loose. and you want it to move up and down. You do not want it too tight at all, but you don't want it too loose that it falls off. So I'm just cutting off some excess. Sometimes I cut it, you know, in a nice little angle there, but it's not going to matter because I cover it with dimensional adhesive, and then we're going to use some more products. So dimensional adhesive goes on there. This shape is from the Nested Essential Dies. It's the largest like rounded rectangle, and it's stitched, so it's very pretty. I like it. It's one of my favorite die sets that I like using. So I put that with dimensionals, and then I'm putting the cake on with dimensionals. And then I did previously stamp this happy birthday, but then I cut it out. And some people don't like the fussy cutting, so I omitted it completely out of this video. You're welcome. But I don't mind putting it into two different, you know, so it just is a little bit more whimsical and doesn't cover up the entire piece of cake. And I put that on with dimensional adhesive. And these are called the Adhesive Back Pearl Trio embellishments. And I found the pink ones for the pink card, and in a second I will show you the peach pie card. So this is the fun fold, and the belly band wraps around easily. And sometimes, yeah, I just wanted to crease that with my bone folder. So there you are. Thanks so much for watching today. Thanks so much for commenting and subscribing and doing all the YouTube-y things. I really appreciate you. Thanks for spending time with me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.